What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys check out Shein's brand new flash sale. This campaign is the hashtag when I open my Xmas parcel. Yes, XMAS. I'm just not saying it that way. It's actually the Xmas parcel hashtag when I open my Xmas parcel. Number one item that I picked was this sweater, and all my items you guys will be able to see down in the description box. I'm going to try to do this voiceover without any edits. Okay, next item is this little kangaroo sweatshirt. It has a really nice loose hood, drawstrings, a quilted area, little kangaroo area. Yes, a little kangaroo area for your hands. Super cute. I love hoodies and zip up sweatshirts. Love them so much. Next item is, oh yeah, the 3-piece set. And by the way, I'm going to be trying all of these items on for you guys. Please be nice. I have gained a lot of weight. You guys are going to enjoy seeing that. Anyways, I've gained a lot of weight. I'm not really comfortable at all with where I am. Not really comfortable. No, I'm not comfortable at all with where I am, but I really do like that I was able to choose some comfortable clothes. Now, shopping online is a little bit hard sometimes because you don't know how the clothing is going to fit. So you guys will see how these items fit me. I also selected some sweats, and I love that Shein offers like 3-packs or 6-packs of things. For one price, you're getting like 3 sets of sweats. This one in particular is 3 sets of sweats with 3 matching crop tops, something I don't ever wear, but I really love the set, so I was like, yeah, I'm going for it. Anyways, I think the colors are so cute. I mean, it is so very soft. So very soft. You guys will be so comfy in these at home. And I'm going mic free right now, so I wish my fan wasn't running on my computer, but that's how I'm doing it. I mean, I'm in a full studio. I could be using the studio equipment, but I'm choosing to get this up to you guys so that you guys can make the flash sale because it's going on right now. Okay, now, again, I said we have matching tops. We have like this cream color, very Kim Kardashian vibe, hashtag Kardashian approved color palette. We have the brown, and we have sort of like an aqua blue color. Again, those match with the sweats. They are so cute. I really like them. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm really self-conscious right now about my body and my stomach. So if I had the stomach of my dreams right now, like, I would be feeling so extremely cute wearing the little pants with the crop top. But I'm not there right now. Anyways, on to more stuff that I feel super comfortable in, like sweats. This was actually a 4-pack of sweats. 4 sweats for the price of 1. You guys definitely look down in the description box. Here I go again. Look in the description box and you'll see everything that I ordered. Also use my promo code 15BBG. You can stack coupons on Shein and you guys can save an extra 15%. No, this isn't sponsored, but now we are getting on to the try on. So here we are with the sweats. I feel like it's the sort of material where you can kind of see cellulite underneath. So that was really a no for me. However, I did love the charcoal pair, this one right here. I really love those. Something was different about the fabric. I could have gotten an extra large, I'm not gonna lie. These are a large. This fit me really well, the little kangaroo sweatshirt. It was super roomy, really nice, not a color I normally wear. And this one, you guys, this sweater, if you have a tummy and you're like, you know, about to start losing weight, that sweater, I felt really good in that. Okay, now these are the little pants with the matching crop tops. Okay, they are so comfortable, so comfortable. Again, it was a 6-pack, and the very last thing I'm going to try on for you guys was my cringe try on, because number one, it was super sheer. Also, Being big-breasted, the top was not big enough for me, but there it was. Anyways, you guys, that was my Shein haul and my try on. I hope you liked it. I have 4 more campaigns coming up in the near future, so I hope you guys look out for those too. Well, hey, you guys, I'm out of here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.